This Motion Monday, using an HMI to command motion sequences. In our previous video, we set up RS-232 communications between an Exor HMI and a Copley Drive. In this video, we will set up the drive in HMI so that you can use the HMI to trigger motion sequences on the drive. First, let's set up the CVM programs on the drive. We will stop running the programs and look at the Setup tab. Here we can see that we are set up to use register 0 for both sequence selection as well as the go command. Now let's look at our programs. Sequence 0 is a homing sequence. Sequence 1 is our run or index sequence. Sequence 2 jogs forward, and sequence 3 jogs in reverse. We then run the control programs which we previously downloaded. Once they are running, we would like to test our ASCII commands to verify they are correct. We bring up the control panel window to view our motor position. Then we bring up the ASCII command line window so we can enter commands. We then enter our first command to run sequence 0, our home sequence. As we can see, the axis homes and the motor position read 0. Next, we run sequence 1, our index sequence. As we enter it repeatedly, we index repeatedly. Next, our jog positive sequence. Followed by our jog negative sequence. Finally, we issue an abort move command and the axis stops. We can now close CME, saving our work as we leave. Now that we have everything set up on the drive side, we will move to configure the HMI. Just as before, we are showing the motor position on the screen. Now we assign buttons to the screen. Plus minus for home, down for jog minus, up for jog plus, and 1 for index. We then assign commands to each button. For plus minus key press, we send 32-768 to register 0, just as we did when we tested the drive to run sequence 0, our home sequence. We send 32-771 to register 0 to run sequence 3, jogging negative. We send 32-770 to register 0 to run sequence 2, jogging positive. We send 32-769 to register 0 to run sequence 1, our index sequence. We now send a command to abort our move when the down arrow is released. And finally, a command to abort our move when the up arrow is released. Then save. and download the file to our screen. We can now use each button as assigned: Home, Jog Forward, Jog Reverse, and Index. I hope you found this video useful for your application, and thanks for watching.